Hi, I will continue with the demonstration for setting up the data and uploading it as contacts in Blue Wheels. I'll just take a streak of numbers for your demo. I'll take some of these numbers in this column. I'll put it over here. I'll use remove duplicates in order to remove any duplicate numbers over here. I'll use the format of these numbers as format cells. We go over there to format numbers with 0 decimals. We have to remove all these dashes in the numbers, or if there's any space we'll remove that. Okay, we have to change these numbers into a country code having a plus sign in the beginning. We will use concatenate formula. So in order to merge the plus sign with the numbers, these are the numbers that we have. Now in order to remove the formula aspect on this, we copy paste over here as values, and we'll copy paste as values, and then from here we'll take it over here to the format, CSV format. Here we'll go over there and save it over here for our demo contacts to be uploaded. Okay, this is done now. Now we go over here and we upload the same contact over here. These contacts are now uploaded under a name, campaign contact for campaign MR properties new launch. Okay, now how we set off with the campaign? Now we'll go to bulk messaging. We'll click on the plus sign over here on the new campaign. We'll select a profile, WhatsApp profile, from where we'll start off with it. Either we can use one profile or two profiles, it depends on you. In a single campaign you can use both the profiles or a single profile also, and in the other campaign you can use the other profile. It depends on you how you want to set up the campaign and how you want to use your different WhatsApp. We'll name the campaign on new MR launch. Okay, and in the contact group we'll select the contacts that we have uploaded. Greetings, and over here in the caption we'll specify the messages that we have to send. A standard message that would be sent on all the numbers that we have uploaded as contacts. Greetings, we are pleased to inform about new MR. Then you can specify the message as you please. Okay, this is the standard message that will go on each number, and here you can specify the time frame in which you have to send messages. Now if you want to send 4 messages in 1 hour, so you can specify 4 messages in 1 hour would be 15 minutes each. So 15 minutes multiplied by 60, it would be around 900 seconds. And the good part about this WhatsApp sender is that it sends messages on randomly. Like if you specify a time frame like 5 to 6 minutes, let it be 5 to 10 minutes, so it will send messages randomly. Like in one go it will send at 5 minutes, and on the other go it will send at 7 minutes. So this helps us to avoid artificial intelligence detection by WhatsApp. Now this thing embedded, this feature in it sends randomly on different times. So WhatsApp cannot detect what you say, a sequence in the messages. So that's how the blockages can be minimized in this WhatsApp. So this is the time frame we have specified for sending one message, and the other message would be sent on, if the message is sent at 5 minutes interval, the other messages, if for example you have specified the highest interval by 7 minutes, it would be sent by like at the most 6.5 minutes or something like that. Now you can specify what times you can send. Now if I have to send from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock, I would specify it in this way. Now this is it. This is how we go about it, and then we have to just put schedule. Okay, if we have clicked on schedule, then the messages and the campaign is ready to go. Thank you fellas, thank you. If there is any question you can contact me, and if you need any other demo or anything, or any changes in the format of this presentation, so I would welcome any suggestions on this. Thank you fellas.